First of all, Deepak will give his introduction.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Deepak Kumar. I am from Mandi. I live at Miravalla, Mandi. My school name is Boys Mandi. My father is a carpenter. My mother is a housewife. My father name is Mr. Kuldeep and my mother name is Mrs. Rina. I want to become an RVN. Nice to meet you and thank you.
Very good. And Naman.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Naman Thakur. I am from Palace Colony. I did in 7th class. My school name is SWM Senior Secondary School. My father's name is Mr. Bhavan Singh. My mother's name is Mrs. Sunita Devi. My father is an army man. My mother is a housewife. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. I want to become a doctor. Nice to meet you.
Okay, now I want both of you to have conversation with one another. So Deepak will ask some questions, then Naman can answer all the questions very carefully. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, sir. Naman, can I ask you some questions?
Yes, Deepak, you can ask. Go ahead.
Okay. How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
Okay. And how often do you brush your teeth?
Twice in a day.
Okay. And do you like Chinese food?
No, I don't like Chinese food, but I like Indian food like most.
Okay. And how is your mother?
My mother is good. Yours?
My mother is also good. And are you enjoying your classes?
Yes, of course, I am enjoying.
Okay, very good.
Okay.
Now, very good. Now Naman will ask question to Deepak related to 8 parts of speech.
Okay, sir. Deepak, can I ask some questions related to 8 part of speech?
Yes, you can ask. Go ahead.
Okay, what is noun?
Noun is the name of person, place, or thing.
Okay, kinds of noun?
Personal noun, proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun.
Okay, what is the definition of pronoun?
Pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun.
Okay, kinds of pronoun?
Kinds of pronoun: personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, distributive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, relative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, and emphatic pronoun.
Okay, what is the definition of adjective?
Adjective is a word which adds something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun.
Okay, what is kind of adjective?
Adjective of manner, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, proper adjective, adjective of demonstrative, adjective of distribute.
Okay, what is the definition of verb?
Verb is a word used to say something about some person, place, or thing.
Okay, what is the kind of verb?
Verb, intransitive verb, transitive verb, linking verb, and auxiliary verb.
Okay, what is the definition of preposition?
Preposition is a word which is used before noun, pronoun, and interjection.
Okay, kinds of preposition.
There are many kinds of preposition. Example in, at, on, to, by, upon.
Okay, very good. Dear
Okay.
students, nice conversation. So in online participation, I can see that all of you are doing good job, and then speaking language also very fluently. Excellent. So we will keep on practicing English something like this to this online also, and then days to come I want to see that all of you are doing excellent job. Okay, thank you for joining. Thanks a lot. So see you again.